Have you always been out at this location for 36 years?
Yes, I have. I started
Okay.
out on this piece of property, and my wife and I started out as a little cut and wrap facility. We did hams and bacons from the hogs that we slaughtered and butchered and cut and wrapped, and learned how to do that. Made sausage for those folks, and from there we had all the wild game customers come in, and we made a lot of sausage for the wild game hunters and things. And then, like I said, we got that little storefront down at the farmer's market, and that grew, and then this storefront grew, and we became a Northwest label. I sell stuff into Alaska, Montana, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington State, and a little bit in Northern California. I woke up, my little dog woke me up. I was barking and fussing, and I looked out the window and I saw the red flashing lights of the fire truck right in my front yard here, because my home's right here by the facility, of course. And I ran upstairs and looked out the window and saw flames about 35, 40 feet in the air. Just couldn't believe it come running out. Tried to do what I could to help the fire department, how to, where to get in at and all that stuff. They worked really hard. I got to give Fire District 6 a big shout, because those guys, they dumped over 200,000 gallons of water trying to save it, These facilities are built out of freezer panels, and those freezer panels are bolt, when they get going, they get going. We're fighters, like I've said, and I started from nothing. We'll be back.